Hello everyone, Alec with Abrites here. For the longest time, we've been talking about a completely new Abrites diagnostics for Jaguar Land Rover. I assure you, this is all being cooked up upstairs right now with our colleagues from the development department. Apart from that, they are also doing a few other major upgrades to the existing Abrites diagnostics for Jaguar Land Rover. And now I wanted to take you through a couple of those just to show you exactly what we do. So let's take this completely locked Land Rover Defender and see if we can turn the alarm system of that car off. You will be able to see that if I turn the ignition of the vehicle on, the vehicle will start. By the way, if you're using headphones, just be very careful here. Right, so of course the alarm system will do that. And right now I'm going to show you exactly how to turn the alarm off. Right, so I pressed the alarm off button and this automatically unlocked the vehicle. And you guys can see that right now we will be able to get inside and I can show you the tools you're going to need. You're going to need the next week's update for the Abrites diagnostics for JLR. And you're also going to need an AVDI or AVDI Plus, depending on what you have. And of course, a CB012 cable for the internal CAN bus. And the user manual will show you the exact connections for the CB012 cable. And you will be able to see exactly where to connect those to the internal CAN bus of the vehicle. So from here on, you are ready to do full key programming. And of course, this saves a lot of hassle for your customers as well. Done. Next car, please.